Try. Just let it warm up a little bit. Okay?
Yeah, no problem.
When you turn it on, the GoPro lights come on, right?
The GoPro's like
Because it seems like you didn't wait enough, okay? Sometimes you have to wait when the it's when you turn the ignition on, right?
And then you wait till it goes off, and then you turn it on.
you start. That's why it's a little rough. Yeah, but it's a clean car. I like it.
It is clean. I mean, it has a little bit of rust in the back, you know, but I mean,
If you go to Florida or California, they're gonna be rust clean.
yeah. But it's so hard to find these S350s.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We had another one.
Yeah. Oh, the black.
Oh, so we had another one that was silver, and then we got rid of that one. Is this one?
Alright guys, working in this W140. The battery keeps going dead, okay? I removed the filter, let me show you what's going on. So, inside the car, beautiful car. I'm gonna start this up. See. Okay, let's see which lights come out, which lights stay. Okay, the battery light is on right over here. Okay, so let's go check it. Okay, being here in the back, just gonna check this quickly, see what it's doing. Okay, look at that. It's not charging at all. Alright. Now, I just removed this tube from the air intake. Alright. There's my alternator right there. And down there, see if I can show you. See, down there, that's a positive cable coming out from the alternator. So I'm gonna do the same test. Put this over there. This one goes to the ground. Somewhere here. Yeah, there we go. Here I'm touching that thing right there. It's gonna be hard for you to see. But it's 11 volts. It's not charging, okay? And at one point I had where it was steady, 11.7. So it's the same voltage as over there in the trunk where the battery is. So this alternator is gonna have to be replaced. Putting this back.
So right now you don't have like a garage or something to work on the cars?
So sad.
You get so upset, I know.
It's crazy, man. I was the other day. There was another S500 like this in the junkyard, man. Like people are just so cruel. There's so many junkyards I go to. There's a lot of them in Chicago, you know, if you look up. But oh man, I've just been seeing so many crazy things. And you know this W126 Mercedes, the one that was built from 81 to from 81 to 91. That one, like actually there was the same engine that they put in that thing too. It was 300 SDL, I think. So, but yeah, I saw that one over there too, and I'm like, that thing is so nice. I mean, how could you like do that? I mean, Some motherfuckers just like they don't care.
But like I used to. The problem is like people don't maintain them. That's what.
Yeah, I know.
And then everything adds up because I bought before like this. I bought a white one, S500 W140 body. Yeah. I got it for $300.
Wow, that's a good deal.
It was running.
It's great.
It was running. The guy just it needed suspension all around. It needed
that's
like
normal.
freaking 24 spark plugs,
right.
all that stuff. It adds up.
Yeah, I know.
They just didn't want to do it. So,
the thing is that, I mean, even if you have a brand new car, you're going to be putting money into it, you know? Every month there's going to be car payments, and you're going to be losing on that. You go buy a brand new car from the dealership, you already lost, $2,000, you know? It's crazy.
I made a mistake on the stupid Acura.
Oh, on this Acura?
Yeah.
What year is this? This is a newer one, right?
No, it's 2017.
2017, huh? I mean, that's not bad, I guess,
I would have never have got it if this car was driving.
Oh, okay, so you just didn't have a driver, right.
I just couldn't deal with every single time it started, and not knowing, if I go somewhere, if I'm going to get stuck, I needed a car that I could drive around. That's right,
But that's the alternator right now, okay, that's giving you all the issues and stuff.
So how much?
It's called, it's a power steering return hose, because your power steering pressure hose is the one on the bottom. That one is pretty good and dry on the bottom, so just this one, and this is your pre-filter right here. It really needs to be replaced. It's pretty dirty.
Pre-filter for
the fuel, right here, and then this is your right here is your main filter right there, okay?
Oil filter.
So
this is an oil filter or diesel filter?
This is the diesel filter. Yeah, the
Oh,
oil
really?
filter is right here. This one.
Oh, okay.
If you've never done the diesel purge, that's when basically you do the diesel purge first. The diesel purge is the fuel system cleaner on these diesel engines. You basically run it, and then after that you replace these main filter and then that pre-filter right there. Okay. Yeah. So just, you can name it fuel filter and fuel pre-filter.
PS return line.
Power steering, return line, and then belt tensioner and 2 belt tensioner shocks. The interior looks beautiful. It's nice, old school.
The other thing was that when the climate control was working, the heater or the AC wasn't working. It would just blow air. So
the
that was like
defroster works.
The heater valve, or I think it was the heater pump valve, or something, needed to be replaced or rebuilt. But yeah, none of those work.
None of those work. Okay.
Climate control doesn't work.
All right.
The mirrors don't work.
Radio doesn't work? Radio doesn't work, right? Okay.
But what's weird is the windows work. Usually those are all in the same circuit.
Okay. There should be another fuse box, I believe, on this one somewhere. I have to try to find it.